Hi, I'm Dr. Raydo Miranda, and my patients call me Doc DM. Together with me is
Hi everyone, I'm Doc Harvey Burgos. You can call me Doc Harves or Doc Harvey.
and welcome to our vlog. Na kasama mo na ako, di ba, during consultation. No?
Yes.
And I'm sure narinig mo lagi sa akin na tinatanong ko sa patient, are you 101% sure of the procedure that you want to do with us, with the clinic, or with me? No? Kasi if it's lesser than that, ibig sabihin may doubt si patient.
Correct.
As long as may doubt, kahit 1% lang yan, sabihin niya 99% sure ako, Dok, papagawa ko sa'yo. What about the other 1%? If you have doubts, don't do it. And lagi ko sinasabi, ito famous line ko to whenever I do consultation, surgery man yan or non-surgical man yan, hindi po ito life-threatening emergency. Hindi mo ikakamatay pag hindi mo siya pinagawa.
Okay.
You can always think about it. No, maybe hindi ngayon, no, pero importante is that you are mentally, psychologically, and ready for the procedure. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng physically ready ka lang, hindi
Yes.
pwedeng financially ready ka lang. Eh, pag physically and financially ready ka, tapos nakita mo na maga ka because of the surgery, kaya may mga ano ka dyan, sugat-sugat because of a certain procedure, mentally, you would break down. So, dapat, yun yung lagi kong ina-advise sa mga patient. They should always be above, more than the personal, physical, and financial. Dapat mas ready sila psychologically. So, if hindi sila 101% ready para ipagawa yung isang procedure, I'm afraid I have to say no to them. Yeah. Ganun siya for me. Ikaw ba?
Sa akin naman, syempre as doctors, no, parang we should empathize with the patient, no?
Right.
Parang being hesitant or being nervous is valid naman.
Tama. In all procedures.
Yes, in all procedures, no? Hindi lang cosmetic, no? Even a medical procedure, no?
Kahit yung nagpapa-check up ng mataas yung BP
Yes,
sa'yo,
correct, no?
mataas yung cholesterol,
I have
kinakabahan pa rin
yes.
sila.
And sometimes yun nga yung nagiging hindrance sila para hindi magpa-check, di ba? But when you empathize kasi, parang feel nila they are safe, no? And one thing na sinasabi ko sa mga patient, no? It's okay. Hindi mo kailangan, hindi to rush or hindi ka pina-pressure, no? Instead of saying kailan natin gagawin, no? We always tell our patients, ano ba talaga yung concern mo? Ano ba yung goal mo? Para mas maging relax sila, mas maging open sila, no? Kasi once they are open, no? Parang mas maintindihan nila yung pressure, yung kaba, yung hesitation, mas bumababa. Then, hindi clouded yung magiging judgment nila if they are ready or not. So, I think yun yung isa sa mga parang ginagawa ko or natin, no? In our practice, no? We empathize, no? We always tell our patients it's not a rush. You don't have to be
Hindi siya
pressured.
emergency.
Yes, correct. No? So, yun lang.
Maganda siyang i-compare with your other specialty, which is internal medicine. Diba? Kasi
Yeah.
if meron kang hypertension, talaga na for a long time na, you have to seek consult and take medications for it.
Yes.
Kasi need siya. Pero
Right.
with aesthetic procedures and cosmetic procedure, hindi naman siya need madalas. More on the want siya eh. So you can always think about it. Parang pag-isipan mo siya ng more than 10 times before you decide on doing it. So that's the beauty of us,
Yes.
yung clinic mismo natin. Kasi we don't rush, we don't push our patients na, paggawa mo na to, paggawa mo na yan, hindi tayo ganun.
Yeah.
So we give patients options to think if the procedure is really for them or not. I'm excited na kasama kita sa clinic kasi not a lot of our patients know na may ibang doctor pala sa Miranda Clinic. Alam mo yun? Kasi ang mahirap pag wala ako, walang ibang gagawa ng procedure. And this is what I'm excited about the future of the Miranda Clinic and our other clinic na A&M Clinic. Kasi nandyan ka na. So yung reach natin with the patient, mas malaki na, mas wide na. And at the same time, naniniwala ako dun sa kasabihan na two heads are better than one. Kasi pag ako lang yung nag-iisip, parang hindi naman siya sa kulang, pero parang mas maganda pag merong ibang POV na
Yes,
tinatawag, di ba? Point of view. So I'm excited about that part. And also, syempre, since lumalaki na tayo, dumadami yung mga machines natin and yung mga products na ino-offer natin, yun yung, for me, yun yung pinaka na-excite ako. Kasi we don't stop from learning eh. We always train. Kailan lang, nag-train tayo
Yes.
for Profilo, and then you have a training for Nuvia this coming weeks, di ba? So, this kind of training doesn't limit us kung ano lang yung alam natin dati. Tapos, kakatapos mo lang ng fellowship sa hair restoration, and I'm sure meron kang bagong natutunan na
Yes.
hindi ko alam. Kasi bago siya. Nalaman mo siya from abroad, di ba? That you can bring to our clinic. So that's what I'm most excited about. The new technology, the new devices, the new products, and the new learnings that we bring home to our patients na galing sa ibang bansa at dito, locally.
Yes, correct, no? Correct naman yung parang aesthetic medicine is rapidly evolving.
Yes.
So, what's trendy now may not be trendy
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow, no?
Next week.
Yun lang yung kinaganda nung being updated with the global society, no? Or international society. We get to be updated, no? Sa mga latest, which we can also give to our patients, no? Recently lang, no? We acquired new machine, no?
Zafiro.
Yeah,
Favorite
Zafiro.
treatment that we
Yeah.
do to ourselves.
Yes, no? New technology uses infrared thermolifting, no?
Without pain.
Two-in-one. Yes, without pain.
Na mas affordable.
Yes, correct. So, that's one of parang yung mga new technologies I'm most
Na
excited
binoboast
about.
natin kasi
Yes.
tayo pa lang yung meron dito
Oo.
sa Region 3 as of the
Correct. Exciting siya. At the same time, natututo tayo ng mga bago, no? Hindi lang dito sa Philippines, no? Minsan nagte-train din tayo sa Korea, Vietnam, Thailand, no?
Thailand,
So,
Europe.
Yes, excited ako na
Mas
malaman
marami pang,
Yes.
syempre mas marami pang travel abroad
Oo,
na may
pa rin.
kasamang, na may kasamang training.
Oo.
So, let me just interject. Yun nga, na-realize ko ngayon lang na parang tayo nag-update tayo, no? Cellphone nga, yung software nga ng mga cellphone, ina-update yan, di ba? Ano yan? Once or twice or more in a year. So, tayo din, kailangan natin kasi there will be a lot of changes in the aesthetic field, and even in surgery, no? Na maraming bago, maraming mas effective, maraming mas painless, marami, sa sobrang dami. So, I think I'm also excited with that
Yep.
part.